see you, yes you, and you, and you, and you. I see you wearing a mask, social distancing, keeping the UConn Promise. I see you passing on the party, staying in your room, studying online. I see you on-campus student, off-campus student, learning remotely student, UConn student. I see you being cautious, taking care, treating your fellow Huskies with respect. I see you dining hall staffer, facilities worker, student health and wellness staff member. I see you providing food, shelter, and safety to our community. I see you, professor, instructor, faculty member. I see you teaching in person, teaching online, going the extra mile for your students. I see you, UConn. I see you proving the doubters wrong, doing what's right, keeping each other safe. I see your UConn pride. I see your Husky spirit. I see 50,000 members of UConn Nation coming together for one goal. And now, the whole world can see what I see.